Hey, welcome to the Daily Dose. Let's dig into it. So the question is what CRM do you use? What CRM should you use, right? It's a complicated question because there again, it goes back to life cycle, right? I personally have created my own custom CRM. So it's not an off-the-shelf CRM, but as you're just getting started, you know, one that I recommend that number one, it's affordable. Number two, you're not going to get locked into a contract, any of that stuff, it's a system called Go High Level. And it works really good as a transition CRM into something customized later. So there again, at the beginning of a business, every penny is a soldier. So, you know, you can go with something like that and then grow into a custom CRM after that. Just look for a tool that'll just do the basic things. Onboard a client and do really good project management for you and for the company. Hope that was helpful. See you on the next dose. I hope you found this video useful. Follow me right here on YouTube for more great content daily. Download my international best-selling book, Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone, for absolutely free at growfast.club. I say again, download my book at growfast.club for all of my 7-figure growth hacks. Get your copy now while it's still free.
There it is. Magnum. Holy moly.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear God, it's beautiful.